Hi everyone, and finally we have the SteelSeries product here on PC Crazy YouTube channel. Now this is something very cool for me, and thanks to my friend who bought them the other day, I got some time to do a review on them, and well, I'm really excited to do it. Now here we have the SteelSeries Arctis Pro GameDAC, and these are the world's first, what does it say, certified high-res gaming audio system. Now we have to check them out, we have to open them and of course test them out. Now let's open the box and see what stuff do we have inside, because except for the headset you got some cool thing in this box. Okay. Now these are the headset, the Arctis Pro, and they have a really premium feel all around, very nice design, and well, I was always curious how they look in real and how they actually feel when you touch. You know, you have that material when you notice that they aren't that good quality or similar to that, but these are completely different. These are very nice. Now next to the headset we have the GameDAC here, which is actually going to be on your table while you game or do anything else. Also we have the accessory box over here, which contains, now you have some sort of let's say a small booklet. We're thrilled that you're enjoying your SteelSeries product, and you have the product information guide. Now next to that we have some cables over here. You have the mobile adapter 3.5mm jack to the 8-pin connector. You have the USB cable that goes from your GameDAC to your PS4 and PC, and we have the main cable headset to GameDAC. Also, this is not all, of course, you have optical cable and the windscreen for your microphone. Now all these cables are in the accessory box and they are very nicely packaged, arranged and everything, but that's not the whole point. Now let's go to the main thing, and those are the headsets and the GameDAC. Now let's start with the thing that makes these headsets so special. We have the GameDAC here, controller or however you want to call it, that sits on your table, and you connect your headsets through them to your PC. Now you have this huge volume knob, you have a special button over here, and the OLED screen that shows everything that you're doing currently on it. With the GameDAC you can adjust the volume, chat mix, which does the balance between the game and the chat audio, onboard 10-band equalizer that lets you tweak each frequency on the fly, so you don't need any software, which is really awesome because you don't have to install anything. You do everything here on your GameDAC. Now next up is the high-res mode, which streamlines the available options to focus all of its power on producing the best possible audio quality. Now the Stream Mixer, last feature of GameDAC, gives you the ability to simplify your PS4 streaming setup by mixing and balancing game, chat, mix and aux audio into a single output to your streaming PC. On the back of your GameDAC you have 4 connectors. Now the first one in line is the optical connector, which you will be using for your PS4. Then micro USB to connect your PS4 or your PC. Third in line is the line out to connect your speakers or anything else. And the last one is the connector for your mobile, so you can use it for instance, I don't know, for Discord, while you still have the game audio coming from your game. Now on the left side here you have the 8-pin connector that you connect your headsets, which separate them from these connectors on the back side of the GameDAC. Now it's time for the headset. Of course these are, well, I would say premium design, because you have the AirVive fabric cushions here on the ear cups. The whole construction is based on aluminum, plastic and steel material, as well as the fabric here around the headband, which you could adjust by removing it like this and to make it fit on your head. as I had the chance to try out the Arctis 3, which are very light, and you actually, when you place them on your head, you don't even notice them. They're so light and so very easy to wear them for a couple of hours while gaming, you know, or maybe even listening to the music, watching series or something like that. These are something very similar to that. Now, as I mentioned here, the fabric of the Skyband is the premium Sky Google fabric that is very flexible and very nice to place on your head. You don't feel it and you could very easily adjust it. As for the microphone, it is retractable, which is always a cool thing. When you don't use it, you can retract it in the left ear cup, and that is what I personally prefer, to have it adjusted as you wish and as you want. Now, it is the Clearcast bidirectional one. You already know that it is widely recognized as the best microphone in gaming. Also, I would like to mention that these headsets are the first in gaming to offer the DTS Headphone X version 2.0, because they deliver accurate positional cues without sounding like you're in a tunnel. On the left ear cup you have the 3.5mm jack, which you could connect your friend's, I don't know, headphones here, and he can listen or she can listen on, well, what you're listening. You have the 8-pin connector here for the GameDAC to connect it. You have the volume knob here to adjust the volume, and you have the tactile switch for your microphone to switch it on and off. Connecting Arctis Pro to my PC, the sound is very awesome. Now, I played some music and I went into the game and everything, and to hear, you know, PUBG steps and that kind of stuff, and also the bass is really deep. Also, connecting the GameDAC, because you have to connect the GameDAC to your computer and then headset to the GameDAC, you get the ability to well, change everything. You have the equalizer, you have the LED lights here on the SteelSeries that you can adjust as you wish, because you have loads of options, and as I said, equalizer, the special Hi-Res audio, and everything else that you saw before in the beginning of the video. But unfortunately, guys, I couldn't record the microphone sound from some strange reason, not because of the headset but because of, well, software. So guys, basically everything that I tested out, the sound, the microphone, talking to some other people through it, didn't have any problems with the sound, and they heard everything perfectly crystal clear. Now, the ear cups have a great isolation of the outer sound and you don't hear a thing, so it's really cool because you get the complete isolation for the game and for everything actually that you're listening. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. This was the video for the Arctis Pro Plus GameDAC, and these are really outstanding headsets. Even though they are a bit steamy on the price, these are premium headsets with brilliant sound, without a doubt. I'll put the links below if you want to check more details on the headset and, you know, technical specification with the numbers and all that other stuff. And of course, don't forget, if you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and of course the sub button. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.